Have you ever pondered the enigma that is the share market? It's like a giant chess game with millions of players all making their moves simultaneously. It's a world where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. But what are the risks involved? And how can you navigate this complex and often unforgiving landscape? You see, the share market is a vast, intricate ecosystem. It's made up of businesses of all sizes, from multinational corporations to fledgling startups. These companies issue shares or stocks, which represent a small piece of ownership in the company. When you buy a share, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. You become a shareholder, entitled to a portion of the company's profits and a say in its major decisions. But with every potential reward comes a certain level of risk. The share market is subject to a dizzying array of factors, from global economic trends to the financial health of individual companies. Prices can fluctuate wildly from one day to the next, driven by everything from corporate earnings reports to geopolitical events. There's also the risk inherent in the companies themselves. Businesses can and do fail, leaving shareholders with worthless shares. And even successful companies can experience periods of financial difficulty that can result in significant losses for shareholders. Then there's market risk, or the risk that the overall market will decline, dragging down individual share prices along with it. This can be caused by a variety of factors, from economic recessions to political instability. There's also liquidity risk, or the risk that you won't be able to sell your shares when you want to. Some shares are very thinly traded, meaning there aren't many buyers or sellers at any given time. This can make it difficult to sell your shares without driving down the price. To navigate these risks, it's crucial to have a clear, well-thought-out investment strategy. This should involve careful research and analysis, as well as regular monitoring of your investments. It's also important to diversify your portfolio, spreading your investments across a variety of different companies and sectors to reduce risk. In conclusion, the share market is a complex and challenging environment, but it also offers significant potential rewards. The key to success lies in understanding the risks involved and developing a robust strategy to manage them. Remember, the share market is not a game of chance, but a game of skill, patience, and strategy. In essence, the share market is a place of opportunity, a place where calculated risks can lead to substantial rewards. However, it's not a place for the faint-hearted or unprepared. It's a place where the savvy, the diligent, and the strategic can thrive. So prepare, strategize, and step into the world of shares with an understanding that while the potential for gain is immense, so too is the risk involved.